In this tutorial, we are going to explore CentoPharma, a platform for targeted cohort identification. Directly after logging in, I can begin my search, but first I see the total number of individuals currently in the database and the distribution by geographical region. Additionally, statistics showing the number of individuals by HPO term and genetically confirmed diagnosis are available. To create a cohort, I enter search terms in any of the 6 available fields. First, I can search for clinical symptoms using HPO terminology. As I type, possible matches in the system are indicated. If I enter more than one search term in a box, individuals matching either term are returned, increasing the total number of matching individuals. For help translating symptoms to HPO terms, I can click this question mark and send my terms to CentoPharma support for help. When I enter a term into an additional search field, resulting cases must also match at least one term in this field, decreasing the number of matching individuals. When I've finished entering my search criteria, I can view a list of the matching cases. Information on the curation status, requested test, genetically confirmed diagnosis if available, clinical symptoms, age at diagnosis, sex, country, and region are displayed. From here, I can request more information. My search criteria, as well as the type of information I am interested in, can be sent to CentoPharma support. Details of all submitted requests can be viewed in the My Request section, along with the date and the total number of matching individuals. If you have questions regarding CentoPharma, please don't hesitate to contact support.